Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this foam cone and some fabric to make a rag tree. I started by folding up the fabric and measuring out 2-inch sections. To make it easier and quicker for the cutting, I just cut the folded fabric, those 2-inch sections, and then opened up those strips, just folded in half each, and then cut little squares. So they're about 2 by 2. And I ended up cutting 6 of those strips. I take each little square and I fold it in half diagonally. So it's like a little triangle. And then I hold it up against the foam cone and take a small screwdriver and just push it into the foam. I do this until I have it completely covered. The cone I got from Dollar Tree, and the fabric is muslin fabric that I got from Amazon. And once I'm towards the top, it is a lot thinner. So what I do is just put a dot of hot glue and then put the fabric on and slightly push in the fabric. Just not as much as I did towards the bottom, or else the tip of that cone will break off. So that's why I'm using the hot glue at the top. And then I also go back and fill in any gaps left behind at the bottom, using hot glue as well, so I don't have to push in so far. And then I do the pieces of fabric along the bottom, except for the very center where I'll be putting a little stand. I use this 2.5-inch round slice that I got from Hobby Lobby in a tumbler. I paint that with just one coat of Barcelona beige by Folk Art. And then I'm taking these 2 gold glitter stars that I got from Dollar Tree, and they're a little too bright for the type of fabric I'm using. So I just take some white acrylic paint and brush it lightly on there just to give it a more dull look. I remove the little stickers from the back and hot glue those together. I then put some hot glue on the bottom of the cone and push in my little stand I made. And then the last thing I do is put a little bit of hot glue on the star and put that on the top of the tree. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.